Again I am repeating the same thing, that during practice we develop fear, because when we practice true meditation, and Kriya Yoga is the fastest meditation, easiest meditation, during this practice we experience various dimensions of truth, various dimensions of life. Majority are unknown to us. When we are not able to understand the different dimensions of the life, power, knowledge and peace, then we get great fear. We experience threatening and we think that something will happen bad. Therefore we stop meditating. Today we are going to understand all those points, and when you will remember it during practice, we will not have any problem, any fear. Those fears, those problems are explained as the various kind of war, fight, struggle in scripture. When you see this scripture, you will find different kind of fightings, confrontation between two groups. Those fighting and confrontation, what we realize in true group, that is called confrontation and fight with the thoughts and ideas, what we have against perception of truth and non-violence. There is war externally also, but cause of the external war is internal war. For example, if you concentrate on head to toes, after some time you will find your body is vibrating. Then you are not habitual of experience vibrating body. In fact, each and every part is condensed wave. What we feel solid structure, when we see it is opaque, it is not transparent, it is having something different structure, and we don't see that this is wave-like structure. But when we concentrate on it, then we realize each and every part is made up of waves of various kinds. And each and every wave is having different color. Each and every wave is having different sound. The moment we concentrate on head to toes, then we realize this existence is presence of various dimensions of waves, sound and colors. When we observe that, then we don't understand about that, then we develop fear, then we stop practicing. What is the most important thing? It is very easy to understand. Suppose that let us do experiment that I will not sleep today. If I am sleeping 8 hours every day, now I will sleep only 4 hours. And when you will get up, have little sleep, then you will feel different in your body. Your body is not changed, it is the same. But because you are experiencing this body in different way, let us decide that 3 days we will not sleep at all. We will remain awake. Then you will find you are not able to walk. You will feel that your body is just now flying, and you will have weeping tendency. Oh, I am tired, I am tired. It is not tiredness. The perception of head to toes, what you realize when you are awake 3 days, that is different perception of self. Means you are experiencing self more and more nearer to truth. At present, when you sleep 8 hours and eat nicely and enjoy your day-to-day life, then you feel I am feeling good. In reality, that is not good. That is traditional perception. You are familiar with that perception. Moment you awake 3 days, 72 hours, then you will feel this body different. Your all things will change. Passing of urine, passing of stool and sweating and all things, taste of the tongue, all will change. And you will see the vision will change. The same ceiling you will feel different. Same walls will appear different. Each and every person will appear different. When I sit in deep meditation, When I look at you sometimes, all look different. Then I cannot recognize anyone with the old face. And when I return to the in regular way, then after a few minutes, then I start recognizing. If I am not understanding about this, then I will have all fear about this. Therefore, most important thing, what I realize, concentration on head to toes more and more. Try to feel it more and more. When you concentrate on it, when you feel it more and more, then whatever you realize, have no fear with that. If you are not able to tolerate, then don't have negative concept. You can just lie down, you can sleep, or you can change your mode of living. But have no fear, no negative concept. The moment you will develop fear, then because of the fear, there is a great problem inside, then all bacteria and viruses which are living inside, they will have great fear. If you will have fear with the changes within head to toes, then you will realize all bacteria and viruses, they will have fear, they will liberate more toxins, and they will multiply more. Then we will have pharyngitis, we will have many things what we call high temperature and infection, viral and bacterial infection. It is all because of the one thing, you do not like, you do not appreciate your changes. How much you have aversion, that determines deeper infection. If you have no any fear, you will never find that any time you will have viral infection or bacterial infection, or any mold and fungus will have any problem. This whole cosmos is immortal. Each and everything what you feel within head to toes is immortal. The complete existence of head to toes, this was present before from the very beginning of creation and was in different form, and this is present now. It will remain up to the end, but each time it will manifest differently. How to understand it? Think of a wave of the ocean. When wave merges with the ocean, you understand that wave is not dead. Wave is there. But next time, which wave is coming out, that is also immortal, but it will be different than the previous wave. The previous wave, this wave, which is merging with the ocean, may appear again, but it will not be exactly same as it was before. Therefore, each time, head to toes, what we experience, what we see, is having different form. And for some time, you can make exactly the same form, but it will not stay for longer period. Just as in dream. In dream, you can create the things according to will, but dream is temporary. In the same way, head to toes, what you feel, after 1,000 years, after 5,000 years, you can manifest the same shape and size, same nose, eyes and everything, but it will be for short duration. Therefore, when Swami Yukteswar resurrected, he has to disappear after a few minutes or after a few hours. In the same way, when Jesus resurrected, he has to disappear, because that resurrected form is created by using divine willpower. Therefore, remember, everything is so simple. You are not able to do because you have not decided it. The moment you decide it, suppose that you have lump, some tumor, benign tumor or cancerous tumor, anywhere overgrowth, concentrate on it. You will find the moment you will feel your body starts vibrating, the tumor will melt away. We are having tumor because we are not liking vibratory phase of head to toes. Always we love it's a solid phase. It's a phase which gives weight, mass, volume. We are not enjoying the perception of body as vibration. Therefore, we develop tumor in due course of time. tumor in the uterus, cyst in the ovary, tumor anywhere in the place of the body, or clogging of the artery, coronary artery blockade, or any arteries is having atheroma, blocking material. It is all because you are not enjoying long lasting awakening. If you decide that 3 days you will not sleep, but what you will do? Concentrate on head to toes. But how to concentrate? When you start serving anything, serving the carpet, serving the wall, serving the cloth, serving the tools, serving head to toes, serving to plants and animals and human beings, during that service mode, what changes you feel within, try to love it more and more. You will find in few days of this service, when you are not sleeping, your body will appear as a vibratory structure. The moment that vibratory structure is stay a little longer, you will find that tumor dissolves. A time will come that this Kriya will spread in all homes. Then you will find the poor condition of living will be over. Because you will enjoy work. The moment you will enjoy work, all things will be in order. We are lazy, we are not working. We are not cultivating, we are not working to help plants to grow, to help animals to grow, to help our children to grow. We are not doing worse, we are feeling laziness because we like to perceive body in the lazy mode. Therefore, never compare to other, never feel jealous. Oh, that person working very nice, I am not able to work. Oh, my luck is bad, my star is bad. That person is so nice, so jumping and working. Never see others. Try to select your own way of living. The moment you will have comparison, you will feel jealous. You will feel superiority complex or inferiority complex. Both are dangerous. Therefore, try to live according to your own existence. And you have to try your level best. If all will complain you are bad, don't listen. If all will say, oh, you are better than that, don't listen. The moment comparison you listen, comparison anybody is talking, don't listen at all. This is sin. Comparison is called greater sin. Therefore, this is very, very important. Try to live this principle. You see, there is only one science. This was invisible before. When it is invisible, you cannot name it. When that invisible has become visible, then what is the science technology of transforming invisible into visible? If you are knowing this, this is known as traditionally Nam Jap. In India, what is called Nam Jap, translated in English, chanting the name. Om, 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 Ram, Ram, Christ, Christ. This is our foolish thing. This is called kindergarten or pre-kindergarten studies in spirituality. And what is the reverse? When you are concentrating on head to toes, learn how to make it disappear. Then you are knower of the science of creation completely. Then you are called Brahma. Everything is very simple. But when we don't desire to do it, then it looks very tough. To walk from here to go outside is very simple. But I don't have desire to stand and to walk. Then this will be very tough for me.